Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another interesting video on Windfall Geotech, which has disruptive technology, artificial intelligence. If you see here, it is currently trading at 33 cents on OTC markets, ticker WINKF, and it is doing pretty good. If you see the stats here, it is all green. It is doing pretty good. What is Windfall Geotech? It's basically using artificial intelligence. So, and it is currently having a market cap of 32.5 million, making it a micro cap growth stock with under 100 million shares, which is outstanding. And also, this offers investors a ground floor level investment opportunity, which seems to agree is a Canadian venture capital legend. I can say Sheldon, he has to go through his firm like 3D Capital, which invests in small cap companies with disruptive potential. So Windfall is one of those companies which he invested, and just recently 3D purchased vast amounts of shares on the open market and currently holds over 10% of the company. And Sheldon knowledge and connections are invaluable in both technology and resource sectors. And this Windfall Geotech is basically having an innovative AI solutions that has changing the way like where large mining exploration companies finds new deposits of precious and base metals. So basically, this company is growing rapidly in this space as it found a very clever way of growing shareholder value. So yeah, I will talk more about this in a minute. Before we get into the video, I would love to ask if you could like, share, subscribe my Bloom Market channel to get daily updates on interesting killer penny stocks. Whenever the tech needs to be proven to work, and also there should be very clear need for the technology in the market, and also the management team must be experienced and have a record of success, right? And also the company must already be penetrating markets with partnerships and contracts, because those are very important for any software or when any company to survive in the market. And also in this essence, it must be at an inflection point. So I can say all these factors, Windfall covers. And also I can say this Windfall Geotech has a proven ability to transform geologic exploration around the globe. It is basically a Canadian corporation offering a proven and industry-leading digital platform, which is leveraging artificial intelligence to basically improve our like outcomes in the exploration, development, and operations and financing of geologically focused projects. And basically, this resource mining industry includes virtually all forms of mineralization, including oil and gas exploration. The recent advances has led the detection of water resources and aquifers, especially in drought regions, and of anti-personal landmines and related deadly legacy hazards in conflict zones. And this machine learning technology offers a revolutionary approach to geologic discovery and markedly positive economic impact on operational efficiencies. So, global marketplace for the safe removal of landmines, which is like 700 million per year, and is also on zero competition. In this response, which is great need, Windfall has partnered with Dragonfly Innovations, ticker DFLY, a major player in the drone industry, to create a solution for locating and disposing of landmines efficiently and safely. So why this comes into picture, and what is the benefit of this? So every time a landmine goes off, our lives are affected, and neither government nor private companies can develop the land as the risk is too high and public relations consequences are dire. The lack of development and inability to attract mineral resource exploration companies, and also there is no company or partnership seriously addressing that 700 million global problem. So governments and NGOs want this problem solved, and they see exponential return on the investment if they can solve it, right? So in that scenario, like currently over 15,000 people are killed or seriously injured each year by landmines. Most of them are like over the past conflicts, and there is an estimated 60 to 100 million landmines remaining spread over present and former conflict areas in places such as Africa, Southeast Asia, and also the Middle East, and with 82 countries currently affected. And also to locate the landmines haven't changed in decades, and they are deciding low tech. I can say the hand operated metal detectors are representing the best methods, but service workers, often military, are sometimes expected to work with even less. So The methods are outdated and they are highly dangerous. So that's where the Windfall and Dragonfly comes in. And Windfall is basically an artificial intelligence powered software solution provider, and their solutions collect almost incalculable amounts of data, creating an inventory of 50 different types of landmines, and also the characteristics of each one. And also this explorates with incredible accuracy both the general and exact locations to search. This helps to resolve that problem. And also the actual drones are not humans, because the Dragonfly drones have a large payload carrying capacity, which allows Windfall software to be effectively deployed. In fact, Windfall originally spoke with three other drone companies but were impressed with not only the advanced technology and payload capabilities of Dragonfly, but also the markets that Dragonfly has already entered and has further access to. So, using this artificial intelligence and machine learning, Windfall solution analyzes terabytes of data. Yes, that number is a big, but as it sounds, 1 terabyte equals to 1000 GB from an ever increasing database of current and past resource deposits. From this data collection and analysis, the computer aided resource detection system is able to identify rock clusters and land formations where deposits are most likely and more unlikely to be found, and with incredible accuracy. So the money this can save a resource mining company is more than just significant. It can be company saving. Just ask the good folks that Canadian Nickel, who made the largest nickel sulfide discovery since the 1970s using this Windfall's AI solution. So dozens of other companies have followed suit, and also Windfall is currently turning away clients and operating at one new partner per month, with an eye of doubling that as a scale their business. And this is where Windfall chairman Dinesh has brought great value to this company. Windfall has been in operation over 15 years, but since Dinesh arrived a few years ago, this has ramped up considerably, because instead of taking a one-time fee for providing this vital service for exploration companies, Dinesh pivoted the business model to require shares for each company that Windfall's partners win. By doing this, Windfall becomes a stakeholder in future success of each partner, and as a Windfall team is now in a position to pick and choose their clients, then increase the shareholder value can grow explosively. Essentially, the Windfall stakeholder, you also getting a basket of resource companies who are being aided by artificial intelligence resource detection. And coming to the highlights are like rapidly accelerating global shift to artificial intelligence and machine learning technology, and also it has like disruptive technologies for the 700 million landmine removal industry. And this is only the one and only AI artificial intelligence player in the space. And other one was a partnership with Dragonfly, an industry leading drone company which is having good access to market, and both companies possesses government level contacts, and also proven results for deposit location in the mineral resource sector with increasing contracts and lucrative business model. And the final one was a very recent and major investment in the company by renowned Canadian venture capitalist Sheldon through 3D Capital. So the two companies has been testing their pattern solution over 18 months, and Cameron, which is like who is the Dragonfly CEO, has stated that the partnership is completely unique and cannot be completed with. And there is dedicated money from the Canadian and American governments as well as the NATO for field testing landmine removal solutions, and significant revenue is expected in 2021, and contracts are typically 7 or 8 figure deals over several years. And yeah, so this is I'm not a financial advisor. This video is completely for informational purposes only. You can invest on your own DD. Penny stocks are highly volatile, and at the same time they are highly rewarding. Thank you.